Is rosemary oil truly effective for hair loss? That's the question on everyone's mind. The answers, however, aren't as straightforward as one might hope. A study conducted in 2015 by Panahi and colleagues decided to delve into this question. They conducted a randomized controlled study involving 100 male patients suffering from androgenetic alopecia. No females were included in this study. 50 of these men applied a 2% minoxidil solution twice daily, while the other half applied rosemary oil twice daily for a span of 6 months. The results? At the end of the study, hair density increased very slightly in both groups. 24% of the males in the minoxidil group felt they had mild improvement, and 38% in the rosemary group felt the same. No one in either group noticed moderate improvement. Both groups reported increased scalp itching, with the minoxidil group experiencing more discomfort. The conclusion drawn was that if you're a male willing to apply rosemary oil twice daily, it might help your hair a bit, but improvements will be mild and not any better than a 2% minoxidil solution. Fast forward to 2023, a study by Begum and colleagues tested the efficacy of rosemary oil on mice. The mice, divided into 3 groups, were applied with a 1% rosemary lotion, a 2% minoxidil lotion, and water respectively, twice daily on a hairless area for 30 days. The results showed that hair regrowth was pretty similar in mice treated with 2% minoxidil and 1% rosemary, and far superior to water. So, what's the takeaway from these studies? Well, it seems that rosemary has some use in promoting hair regrowth, but it's a mild stimulator at best and needs to be applied twice daily. It likely isn't as effective as a 5% minoxidil solution. The evidence suggests that rosemary helps males and mice, but we have zero evidence it does anything for females. If we think it helps women with hair loss, we're merely guessing. Also, be aware that rosemary oil can cause irritation, so caution is advised. In a nutshell, while rosemary oil does show some promise in aiding hair regrowth, its effectiveness is mild and it's not a cure-all solution. It's crucial to remember that this will need to be a lifelong treatment in the setting of androgenetic alopecia. More studies and research are needed to fully understand the benefits and limitations of rosemary oil for hair loss, especially in females. Until then, it's best to approach this treatment with realistic expectations and a grain of salt.